First, rig up the camera, inserting the SD card and removing any accessories like the lens cap to get the camera's final weight. Then, start to assemble the gimbal by attaching the battery grip and tripod. Unlock the tilt, pan and roll movements. Next, attach the quick release plate to the gimbal. Lock all three movements and attach the mini quick release plate to the camera. Then slide this onto the gimbal. Now unlock each of the movements individually. Then begin balancing the camera so that it doesn't tilt or roll in any direction. When balancing the camera on the gimbal, ensure that you make small adjustments to center the camera. This means that when the camera is properly balanced, it should stay nicely suspended without swaying too much in one direction. For added stability, you can attach a side handle for a better grip. Next, turn the gimbal on and begin testing each of the motors. Tap the camera icon to check if the gimbal is balanced. If the icon is orange, then the gimbal is struggling to maintain balance, and you may need to readjust the axes again. If the icon is green and the power bars stay centered, then the camera is balanced. To set up the gimbal in the app, navigate to the main menu and select Status. Then tap Calibrate System and Horizontal Calibration. After that, go to the motor parameters and select Advanced and then Auto Tune. This will allow the gimbal to assess the weight of the camera and adjust the motor power to eliminate shaky movements. You can control the gimbal using a built-in joystick or by using a virtual joystick in the app. Or you can use Force Mobile, which allows the gimbal to follow and track the movements on your device. This provides more flexibility for capturing dynamic and cinematic shots. Both the gimbal and handheld shots have distinct advantages in filmmaking. Handheld shots can give you a more dynamic and immersive narrative sequence. However, if you want a more cinematic approach, using a gimbal will provide you smooth and subtle transitions. And that's how you use the Ronin S3 Pro.